In this video, I'm going to explain how to send chatbot broadcast messages. First of all, let's understand what is broadcast messages. So, broadcast messaging, also known as bulk messaging, is a way to send information to multiple recipients at once. So that means, let's say you have tons of chatbot contacts from Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, Google Business, or any other channels, and if you want to send bulk messages to all those recipients or contacts at once, then you can actually use this broadcast messaging option. So usually businesses use it to keep people informed about their store closures, delays, promotions, and other important updates. So in this video, I'm going to show a live demo of how to send broadcast messages on Telegram, but let's look at the broadcast, how you can actually send broadcast messages on other channels as well. So broadcast rules for channels. So if in Telegram there are no limitations, that means you can actually send broadcast messages at any time you want to your chatbot or Telegram contacts. So likewise, there is no any kind of limitations for the Viber chatbot contacts as well. But in terms of WhatsApp, so let's say you have a WhatsApp chatbot installed and you are actually keeping the contacts through WhatsApp as well. You can actually send broadcast messages with the approved template messages, which is after 24 hours, but you can actually send unlimited broadcast messages within 24 hours. So likewise, you can actually send up to 6 months broadcast messages if you have people in your messenger list. Otherwise, you only have 24 last interaction to send the broadcast messages to your chatbot contacts. Likewise, Instagram also similar to Messenger, you have 24 hours. Otherwise, you can actually use the DM list, which is a beta feature at the moment, to send broadcast messages up to 6 months. And Google My Business, you have 30 days time frame to send broadcast messages. So let's say a particular customer chat with you via Google Business Messages on November 1st 2023, and you have actually 30 days to send broadcast messages to your particular kind of contact over there. So let's look at the advantages of using the broadcast messages. First of all, it has the instant reach, so it actually ensures instant delivery to a wider audience, and it's also cost effective, and also it actually that means it actually replaces the cost of traditional communication methods like printed materials or phone calls and personalization. It actually, using chatbots, you can tailor messages, and it's also increased engagement. So that means interactive elements in the chatbot messages boost user interaction and response rates. So compared with emails, you will actually get a tons of response and also open rates when you use actually chatbot broadcast messages and chatbots. And automation, chatbots automate the scheduled messages, enabling 24/7 communication without a human intervention as well. That means you can actually schedule broadcast messages in advance and send those in automation as well. So these are the benefits of using broadcast messages. Now let's see how you can actually send a broadcast message through Telegram. So here we are already in the flows. So to send a broadcast message or series of messages to a contact, you have to actually build a flow. So here, let me create a flow over here. So let me name it as a broadcast. Just for the demo, I'm going to create a simple broadcast message over here. So this is the starting block. So let me say hi, and I want to add a button over here. Let's add a button, welcome. So let me add a button, welcome. So it will send the hi message and a button with welcome, and if they tap on this welcome button, it simply says done. Simple as that. So this is a very simple example demo I created. So likewise, actually you can actually ask different kind of questions, and you can actually suggest product recommendations based on conditions. You can actually build the whole funnel over here, but for this simple demo, I just created this simple flow over here. Now let's see how to send a broadcast message. So before that, I'm going to send the broadcast message only to a specific contact. So it says Meki. So this is a Telegram contact, as you see here, Telegram icon. So this is Instagram contact, this is a WhatsApp contact. So I want to send this specific broadcast message which I just created to only this particular contact. For that, I want to add a tag over here. So let me add a tag broadcast over here, so that when I send the broadcast, I want to make sure this person only gets this particular broadcast messages. So I actually added this particular tag to this particular contact over here. Now let's go to the broadcast option over here. So the flow name, remember, it's broadcast. So here we have this broadcast option here. So let me rename this one as well, broadcast flow message, something like that. So just to keep things clear, so this is broadcast flow message. So that's a message we actually want to send to the customer, so we want to use this broadcast option over here. So let me go to the broadcast. So it says reach all your customers quickly, send bulk message to your contact list, announce deals, new products and other news. So let me click on send over here. So as I mentioned, I want to send this particular broadcast to a Telegram contact. So let me choose Telegram, of course. So as I mentioned, you can actually use other options as well, other channels as well. Even you can do the email broadcasting as well. So let me choose Telegram over here. And as you remember, I want to send this particular broadcast message to only one contact. So that's why I want to add, I actually added a tag called as broadcast over here. So here, targeting. So you can actually target condition based on the tags as well. So if tag is broadcast, so usually it says 6 receivers for Telegram, because we have actually 6 contacts for the Telegram. But once I choose this particular tag broadcast, it should say 1, because as I remember, only this particular contact have only this particular tag. So let me choose save over here, and as you see, it turns to 1. And when to send this message, you can send now as well, and what the flow you want to send. So here, broadcast flow message. So once I press send, the customer should receive this particular message in their Telegram. I will show that as well. So let me make sure it's published. They should receive hi, welcome and done. That's it. So let's send this over here. So let me click send. Before that, let me share my phone screen as well. Alright, so here we are in the Telegram, as you see here. So let me click send over here, and receivers 1 continue, and it should have sent, as you see here, receivers 1 sent. So let me open Telegram, and as you see here, it says hi and the welcome button over here. So once I press welcome, it should say done. So that's how you can actually send broadcast messages and promote your offers over here. So this is just a quick example. Likewise, you can actually build your own funnel based on your offers and promote it with your chatbot contact as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.